Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Pakistan condoles loss of lives in Bangladesh ferry accident. Pakistan expressed grief over the loss of lives in the ferry accident in Bangladesh River. LAHC approves Rana Sana Ali's bail in assist beyond income case. The Lahore High Court has granted interim bail to Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Rana Sana Ali in assessed beyond income case. CTD arrest alleged Mutahida London terrorist. The Counter-Terrorism Department has arrested a key terrorist of MQM London involved in several heinous crimes. Gilani and Sun submit replies in ECP in disqualification case. Senator Yusuf Raza Gilani and his son Ali Haider Gilani submitted their replies in the Election Commission on the disqualification case. Gold rates fall 1200 rupees per tola in the domestic market. Gold rates dropped by 1200 rupees to 1,04,400 rupees per tola in the domestic market. Government to establish call centers under no-show policy. The federal government will establish special call centers in all districts under the no-show policy in order to approach the elderly citizens who did not receive the doses of coronavirus vaccines. COVID created countless opportunities for IT professionals to work from home. Prime Minister Imran directed the authorities concerned to finalize a short, medium and long-term strategy based on timeline for development of the information technologies sector. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.